Hello from Slovenia again. Today I was in the mood again to play a little, to experiment and kind of let the paint take the lead, or how can I say? I am few years really inspired by Jessica from Winterstrom Art on YouTube, on all other social media. I absolutely love her work. She's an amazing artist and a gorgeous person. I love her. I met her on PurCon. Jessica, I miss you. So I really want to try one of her techniques. So today I will be playing with hide and reveal with faux pillow, the black one. Now, she usually works with paints that are mixed with the bloom recipe, and since I don't have all these ingredients for bloom, I decided to adopt this in my own way. So I used my regular pouring medium, that it's based on acrylic binder and acrylic emulsion, to mix my paints with. And my paints today are Extreme Sheen Garnet, Extreme Sheen Decort, Extreme Sheen 24K Gold. I had titanium white for the pillow, and I have Carmine red, Cadmium red, Phthalo blue, and Turquise. And here I have my paints were quite thick, but for swiping with palette knife they are thinner. So this is the only, I for kind of a selectivator I use thinner paints, and right away I know that it's totally different. It feels different because when you do blooms with that ingredients, it's more fluffy, or how can I say? But still, I thought maybe because I used Extreme Sheen Garnet and 24K Gold, I hope they will pick through my black faux pillow, and when I will swipe with the palette knife they will create some nice effects. And oh, they did, maybe even a little too much. Yeah, so but the painting turned out quite nice, like I will say chaotic galaxy almost. She's mysterious and shimmering, but she's just beautifully weird, I will say, in its own way. And I of course learned a lot how this technique behaves with my materials, and I will definitely keep exploring it in my future videos. So now just sit back, relax, and hopefully enjoy the process, just like I did while creating it. And don't forget to check the dried results at the end and tell me in the comments what you think about it. So here she is, dry and chaotic and beautiful in the same way. A lot of really cool things that I learned a lot from. This garnet from Extreme Sheen reacts a little too much for my taste, because if there will be just gold, it would be probably better. And with garnet, they just two of them, and they both sell a lot. But I kind of like it anyway. Not like it, love it, because she's interesting and want to play with this hide and reveal technique. So thank you, Jessica, for inspiring us always. This is not near the beauty that but it's my try, and I will definitely play some more because, yeah, have some ideas. Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!